Best deals.
1. Meendu Vada Maker. With this machine you can make vada directly, don't have to keep batter on hand. The non-stick molds ensure easy release of vadas. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Turntable Table. With its patented design, this extra large will make it easy for everyone to help themselves to their favorite dish. Extra trays, which are available separately, can be added. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tea Infuser. Whether you prefer hot or cold tea, this infuser is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. With its compact size and spill-proof lid, this infuser is perfect for brewing tea on the go. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Vegetable Spinner. Experience the convenience of dryer, ready-to-eat greens in no time with our dynamic vegetable spinner and dryer. With one simple action, control the top pump to swiftly remove excess water from your lettuce in seconds. Ready-to-eat greens for your salad, it's that easy. Its efficient design of vegetable dryer spinner means no more waiting for greens to air dry. Enjoy fresh, crispy salads in seconds and save valuable time in the kitchen. Its multipurpose design acts as a washing bowl to gently wash your food effortlessly or a convenient storage container for your prepped and washed veggies in the refrigerator. The transparent body of vegetable spinner allows you to monitor the cleaning and spinning process, so you can stop it at the desired time. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Lemon Squeezer. Made from high-quality, durable wood that is eco-friendly, food-grade material and a natural finish that enhances your kitchen aesthetics. The ergonomic design allows you to extract maximum juice with minimal effort. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Silicone Cover. Need to put the silicone handle sleeve into the right handle, then gently pull the pull ring at the end. The silicone pot handle sleeve will automatically shrink to fit various shapes and sizes of pot handles. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dumpling Maker. Just roll flour into a pancake shape, put the dinosaur cookie cutter on flour and cut off, embed the stampers on it, and press, then you will see a dinosaur's biscuits mold. After that, pour into the cream or white chocolate by your favor, start to bake cookies. It's a breeze to make cute cookies. This cookie cutter suitable for rolled fondant, cookie dough, cheese, clay, biscuit dough. It also can be used when children play clay. Mold is of 100% food grade material, it is harmless material to health. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cream Whipper. Crafted from durable aluminum, the THW Cream Whipper is built for heavy-duty, professional use. Perfect for home kitchens, cafes, hotels, and restaurants to create gourmet whipped cream toppings with ease. These attachments allow for a variety of decorative designs, ideal for cakes, desserts, cocktails, sauces, and more. Shake well after filling the cream for the best results, ensuring fluffy, creamy toppings every time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Apple Peeler. The apple peeler is lightweight and compact, folds to protect the blade and save space. Fruit peeler allows you to remove the peel very quickly. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pop Molds. Each ice pop mold includes a reusable stick and drip guard, so there's no mess, just pure enjoyment. Designed for creative play, it doubles as a steel ice cream mold alternative with added fun for birthdays and family treats, offering a playful snack-making experience. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Knife Sharpener. The bottom has a suction cup, so you can simply drop the lever down to secure it securely. The bottom has a suction cup, so you can simply drop the lever down to secure it securely. Excellent stability. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Handle. Forget the hassles of broken handles and finding spares as the Softal handle fits with every cookware. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopping Board. Features two-sided razor-sharp blades crafted from premium quality stainless steel, ensuring precise and effortless dicing of vegetables, fruits, and nuts in various sizes. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage gift basket. The included net cover allows for proper airflow while keeping insects and pests away, ensuring your fruits and vegetables stay fresh for longer. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cup dispenser. Made of environmentally friendly ABS transparent PC plastic, the automatic cup holder is healthy and durable. It can help you organize and store the cups, and you can take them out one by one when you need to use the cups, make your life more convenient and comfortable. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Curd maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 milliliters capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strained smoothies, juices, and cheese. Our versatile strainer's fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Constructed from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, the strainer is rust-resistant and built to last. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Spoon holder. This cutlery stand is designed with 4 sections, making it an ideal spoon organizer for kitchen to neatly separate spoons, forks, knives, ladles, and other utensils. Made from premium stainless steel, the spoon stand for kitchen steel is rust-resistant, sturdy. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Trivets. Steel stand for hot utensils serve as a versatile hot pot stand for kitchen and dining table, ensuring your surfaces remain protected from heat damage. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cleaning brush. With high-density bristles, ready to take on even the toughest stains with ease. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Soap holder. This premium bathroom and kitchen organizer is made with quality PP material, which is both flexible and durable. This thoughtfully designed compact kitchen and bathroom shelf comes with a soap holder included for added convenience. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Containers. The top lid of this airtight food container is made of soft, highly elastic food-grade silicone film and ABS, and it is even environmentally friendly to achieve a perfect seal, ensuring the lasting freshness of your fruits and vegetables. Keep your produce crisp and tasty, and enjoy every bite as if it were freshly picked. You can even toss them into a backpack or tote bag for a quick vitamin boost. It can also help fruits and vegetables resist oxidation, so that those vitamins and minerals that are good for the body stay inside, and are not afraid of being lost over a long time. Product link is given in the 21st link.